See, every day I teach you something new.
You could help out a little.
Without my knowledge and knack for profit, you two would be completely oblivious of the riches that lay within this city. You two should be paying me.
Mark, are you sure we just didn't steal white goods from some kind of charity?
Now, I'm paying you $15 for the privilege of learning and absorbing from my expertise.
That isn't what he asked.
Or was it a school?
I'm carrying the extension cord.
Wait. No. We agreed $15 each.
Ah, you didn't read the fine print.
Fine print?
What fine print?
Now, before you go trespassing on a deal, let me tell you a story.
Oh, we just want you to help.
Instead you whack us with extension cords.
So there I was on the Burmese border, canoeing down the Tongli Sap.
Oh,
And
bullshit, Mark.
what?
I cannot put up with another manipulating story from you, now that I know you only intend to give me $15 for it.
Well, half of 15.
Oh.
And in 11% monthly installments.
Oh.
Fine print.
You absolute shyster.
I have had it!
Carry your own damn washing machine.
I'm willing to make it 13%! It's a good deal!
Oh! Well, that is a surprise. You know what that is, don't you, Dwayne? That washing machine and all those contents therein, they belongs to me. And so too it would seem to you.
What?